What's up, YouTube? Well, good morning to you all. I just got back from a shower and lunch. Set you guys right here while I'm getting everything lined up. So, lunch was fantastic. Shower felt amazing. And to top it all off, I got a call from the guy in shipping at Kenworth. So, headed over to Kenworth to get Megatron's new heart. Let's set up the GPS coordinates. I really kind of know where I'm going. I don't need GPS. I know where I'm going. Alright, so made it over here to Dallas. We made it over here to Dallas, Kenworth. We were in Dallas the whole damn time. Let's go see what we got though. I'm excited. I can't lie to you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, supposedly it's supposed to be right in here. What's going on, Angel? Right over there? Awesome. Thank you very much. Huh? Something you ordered, right? Yeah. Okay. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. All right. You know what that means? It's mail time. All right. Let's see what we got here. I just want to give a big shout out to Billy over at Sinister Diesel for getting this thing over here so quickly. Check out Sinister Diesel. I'll put their information down in the description below. Look them up. I am going to get headed out of town, I think. I don't want to be changing my pump in town, so we'll probably head out I-20 a little bit, and then once we get out of town and get into a smaller truck stop that's not so busy, I'll probably unload the truck there. Don't worry, I'll bring you guys along. I know everybody's waiting to see what's wrong with the truck, and get the part here, then nothing will be wrong with the truck. I will see you on down the road. Sometimes that's the way the morning is, and I'm going to give you the morning light. Put the headphones on, close your eyes, and let the music take where. That's how I suggest you listen to the next song. I like the way they were all magnified, the way we are songs, and influence here, a thread there, remix of this and that. Here, Mary Thomas uses Ren, a Japanese word, as the source of this song, called Ren. Music, chill music, also down. You can't live in darkness all the time. Music, chill music. Hey, what's up? All right, so out here in East Texas, I found a spot where I'll be able to drop the trailer and pull the truck off of the trailer, so I guess I better change clothes. That's better. All right, well, hopefully the truck starts. It wasn't starting very well, so we'll jump back there, try to start it and back it up so we can pull it off the trailer. So see you guys in a second. Alright guys, I'm not going to do this as any kind of technical manual on how to do this. I've never honestly done it myself before, so I'm just going to record it simply for entertainment purposes. So, first thing I got to do is disconnect the batteries. Alright, as you can see, we got down to the pump. Got the intake horn sitting right over there. And it's getting a little dark out here. I'm gonna go ahead and close things up here, and I will see you guys in the morning.